Hi there! In this guide, we will walk you through how to view and download reports to effortlessly track spending and manage resources efficiently. To view reports, start by clicking here. And you'll land on the Payroll tab, where you can generate payroll reports. The payroll report shows detailed payroll calculations per employee, including payable hours, pay rates, and final salary amounts used for processing payroll. You can choose the specific period you want to export, as well as to group the report by department or location. You can also apply filters such as location, department, and other criteria as needed. To select which payroll categories to include, click here. By default, all categories are selected, but you can unselect any you don't need. Then click Download, and select Monthly Breakdown if needed, then hit the Export button to generate the payroll report. Here is an example of a payroll report. Besides payroll reports, you can also download the Totals report. The report is displayed by category such as net pay, employee contributions, additions, and so on. This makes it easier to review overall payroll costs and understand how each component contributes to the final totals. The date range, grouping, filters, and payroll category selections work the same way as the payroll report. Click on Download and repeat the same steps to export the Totals report. Here is an example of the report. And that's it. Wasn't that easy to follow? Check out more tips and tricks in our Help Center.